I'm here at the Creality booth. And I've come across this new prototype that they came out with, which is the Falcon 2 Pro. Now, the Falcon 2 Pro is price point somewhere around $1,900 for the 40-watt laser engraver and somewhere around $1,200 for the 20-watt laser. Now, again, these prices are not solid and they're still up to adjustment. But one of the things that are very interesting about it is not only does it have a very decent build size from what I can tell, and very comparable that to the X-Tool S1, I can also tell you that similar to the X-Tool S1, it has that safety cover protection, which is right over here so that you can actually see your materials being engraved right there on the fly. I'm gonna now show you some type of materials that you can actually produce with this X-Tool S1. You can engrave on stainless steel, you can cut wood and engrave on different types of wood, just like that. Can make all kinds of different artwork. So it really has a lot of great capabilities. Like I said, it is a prototype. I don't know that many more specs about it, but from what I can tell, it definitely looks like a competitor to the X-Tool S1, and it looks really interesting. And based on the initial price point, they're here to compete. Thanks for watching.